Hi everybody, so here we are. Today we're showing emoji face. Okay, now I'm gonna be talking about the Etsy shop. If you hear cartoons, that's my goddaughter. If you hear like a weird noise, that's the heater. I'm freezing to death. Okay, now let's get started. Let's just go ahead. Okay, record. Okay, it's recording. Okay, so right away I'm literally on Etsy and I started my my shop on this, it was either the 16th or the 17th. Mind you, all of this is organic traffic, so it's coming from Etsy, all organic from Etsy. It's not really coming from my channel because I don't really have many subscribers. So let me just apply it. So literally from the 16th to the 31st of January, I have 36 visits, 0 sales. 0 sales. So I had one product, and then it was only like a couple, not weeks, it was some days that went past, and then I added some more items. So I think the more items you add, the better. But as you could see, so okay, so here's the 17th. Nothing on the 16th. So it must have been the 17th that I started. And I must have mentioned it on my YouTube because I have 9 visits for that. And then 3 visits, and you see 1 visit, 2, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 2. Okay, 5, 5, 2, 4. And that's to the end of the month. Orders, nothing. Conversion rate, nothing. Revenue, nothing. And then when I change this, let's see, from February 1st to the 28th. Okay, so this is technically, I'm gonna say that this is technically my first month. And I need to do, I don't know, you guys can see up here, Etsy progress report. I need to update that. So let's take a gander. I literally got this from a girl that does videos. She has a shop. She doesn't share what it is, but I'm sharing mine. So we're gonna change this. Wait, what did it say? Did it say 30? I think it said 36. So 36 visits for my first one. Conversion, nothing. Orders, nothing. Revenue, nothing. So right here where it says total orders minus friends, she sells to her friends, but with business, what I learned is your friends don't really, they're not, just mind your business, okay? The people that are in like your niche or who are interested in what you're interested in, they will find you, you will find them. With business, I'm just gonna stay in my lane. Okay, so we're gonna take that out. She has it, mine is gone. Okay, and she also has ad spend. I'm not putting any ads because from the videos that I've been seeing, people, they pay for ads even if it's just $1 per day. Their orders kind of explode, and I don't want to do that because I have a full-time job and I'm working overtime and I have to work today because I want to, again, as everybody know, do my 10K, well, the 17K challenge, and I need to pay off my car, my credit card, student loans. Hopefully that disappears, but I am going to start paying for it. So for February, is looking nice. Okay, this is technically, I would just say this is my real first month. I have, I think it's 4 items on the page. Let me look. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this, so this one right here, as you can see, is limited edition. There's only 3 left. Once those are gone, they're gone. They're not coming back. Maybe next year, but this year, no. If you buy them, you can keep them pretty much forever. And this is a flat one. The ones that fold, like this one right here, that one should last you a good 2+ years. But after that, after the 2.5 or so, whatever years, I think the ends where the circles, like what I've noticed, they started to wear, depending on the type of binder you have. But yeah, these are gonna last you for pretty much as long as you keep them. And you can also you know, re-stick the stickers if you buy refills. And I have yet, as you can see, nothing. I didn't put up any refills or anything. So as of now, I have 13 admirers and I have 5 sales, but technically it's 4. So let me tell you, each time someone puts something in their cart, they count that as a sale. So let me go back here to Etsy. That's my mom yelling. I don't know what she's doing. Okay, no, that's all time. We need to switch it back to just February. February was really good. I was really surprised, especially when I got my first order. I was like, what? Really? I didn't even really do any advertising like that. It was awesome. So if you like videos like this, please do stay for the entire video. You can subscribe, like, also that helps push out my content to other people who are interested in these types of videos or making money or seeing what it's like to run an Etsy shop with literally, look, Etsy has sprung from February 1st to 28th, 85% of the visits are from Etsy. YouTube, not YouTube, but I brought 15%. And that's what I literally have, and it says it here, 41 visits, 41 people. And that's from TikTok and YouTube, and that's it. And then Etsy search. So people have been looking for things like this, and let's see, 36 people. Cool. And then the rest that just stumble across it, that didn't type it in, like savings, that no, that's pushed to them, 192 visits from those people. I'll show you like the schematic. So 269 visits. This needs to be updated. So 4, I'm gonna leave that as 4. 269, and then my conversion rate 1.5%. 1.5, and then total orders. I'm not gonna put that 5. I'm gonna put the actual amount. The actual amount. There it is. 4. It shows it on here, but on the actual page it shows it as more. I guess it's just the hype. Maybe it's to hype the channel up. I don't know. So 4, and then total revenue. And this is, so the people, and also look, I don't have free shipping right now. I did figure out a way to do free shipping, but I'm not gonna do it yet because again, I work a full-time job, and I know as soon as I offer free shipping, it's gonna be like way more, like so many more orders. But right now I like shipping as it is because the paid shipping is you get tracking and it comes to you much faster. Sorry for my audio. I hope it's not too terrible. I do have a mic, but and this is like the Blue Yeti X, but the problem is I can't find my cord. I don't know where it is, but I'm gonna find it for the next video. The quality is gonna get better. Don't worry about that. But I know this heater is probably like loud. So let's see. So I have February 1st, 1 visit. Oh, well, let me finish the revenue. 32.90. And it has yet to go to my account because I think what is that? Oh, this is the, it's like bleach on here, so it's coming up. It's not my nipple, I swear. Okay, so orders 4. Oh wait, I mean, I guess I'm just gonna keep it the same. Ad spend, nothing. Net profit according to Etsy. Hold on. Yeah, it doesn't give me profit because, okay, I know the girl, she does digital products. For mine, I do actually paper products. So I'm gonna take a minute with the net profit and then actual money received in the bank. I'll update that later, but I know for March, let's delete this stuff in here. Don't need that. Hopefully in March I get 5 or more than 5 maybe, but yeah, I want to improve every month. That'd be great. And I'm still going to promote when I can. Right now I'm going to be putting a what is this? Oh, this is revenue. It's just showing like each order. One person bought something for $7.80. Someone got something for $6.30, $7.80, and $11. Finances. Yeah, they haven't even charged me for my listings yet. This is so new. It has, and then the listings, it's for, I think it's 20 cents for 3 months. So once they start showing, oh wait, haha, oh look, okay, here we go. So I didn't know about this page. So this is my first time actually seeing this page. Oh, I don't know. 6.5% of the total. Man, they take so many fees. It's like fees on top of fees. It's like so confusing. And look, I only have 4 orders. Why is it like this? It's so many plus my listings, but yeah. One person. So look, this right here is one thing. Taxes. This is all one. Well, starting right here. This is all like one. It says it's the same order number. I don't know. Let's go backwards. Wow. Yeah, that's all. It's gonna take me a minute to understand this. But yeah. $7.76 in fees, $15.58 in shipping. Sales, $53.20. So let's change that. $53.20. Net profit, according to Etsy, $29.86. And then apparently maybe some other imaginary fees we're gonna tack on, and I'm gonna receive a surprise when the money hits my bank account. So yeah, I don't know about that. Yeah, again, this is my first time looking at this page. So wow, that's crazy. Wow. Okay, back to the dashboard. And I put the visits right. Yep. So March is pending. This is pretty much it. Hopefully next video I have more in-depth numbers and math and ... to talk about. But yeah, this is it. Hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more content about like my Etsy channel, leave a comment down below, and make sure again, like, subscribe. I'm always here. Ask any question you like. I always answer, and I will see you guys later. Bye.